आपको ड्राफ्ट मिल गया
सर?
कितने का है ड्राफ्ट?
It was listed yesterday, my lord. इसमें DD they have handed over yesterday, my lord. और she is appearing on through.
What is the issue?
They were seeking divorce, my lord. It was rejected.
आपको ड्राफ्ट मिल गया
सर?
कितने का है ड्राफ्ट?
4,50,000।
What is the settlement?
My lord, the final settlement is of amount of 4,50,000, my lord. Nothing else, my lord.
So what you want now?
My lord, we have no objection if divorce. Both the party want to get separated, my lord.
Where is the application? Have you filed?
My lord, this filed already.
Today. कहाँ है? थर्टीन बी का जो म्यूचुअल डिवोर्स का एप्लीकेशन आपको राजी है इसमें?
जी सर।
वेयर इज योर क्लाइंट? एनी इश्यूज बच्चे हैं? नो इश्यूज है बच्चे?
नहीं सर।
ये 13B का ऑर्डर हर्ड की हेमंत पांडे alias the appeal was filed against a refusal of the decree for divorce filed by the husband. It is dated 9th March 23 by the Family Court District Manindgarh. During the pendency of this appeal, the parties, it has been informed that the parties have settled their dispute and have decided to part their ways, and accordingly have filed an application under section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act. Yesterday, the wife was present in person before the court, and it was informed that she is resident of Manendragarh and had gone back. Under these circumstances, the settlement amount of 4,50,000 draft was handed over, was directed to be handed over. Today it is informed by the respondent wife that she has received the draft of 4,50,000 yesterday itself, and she is appearing through the नहीं तो आ गया. Both the parties submit that they are residing separately. कब से अलग रह रहे हैं?
सर 5 साल हो गया।
कौन सी ईयर?
5
2018. They are residing separately since 2018, and there is no chance of any conciliation. The application for mutual divorce has been filed, and the cooling off and application has also been filed to waive the cooling off period of 6 months. In this context, text of 13B that we have. Applying the aforesaid principle, then the parties submit that they have agreed to part their ways, and as agreement has been filed, whereby settlement has been arrived at, wherein the wife contends that he has filed an application under section 125 of CRPC for maintenance, which is registered at MJC number 81 of 21. He would get it dismissed, having been satisfied with the compensation of, having been satisfied after receipt of the compensation. Full stop. He further submit the agreement further purport that he would further not claim any maintenance from the husband. Neither she will claim any maintenance for husband or any further claim for any Sridhan, etc. The Samjhauta is filed, the settlement has been filed under the caption of child as Samjhauta Nama. Having considered the same, the plight of the parties, it has been stated that they are residing separately since 2018, and the parties appears to be firm in their opinion that they cannot stay together and want to get separated by divorce. Having considered those facts, we deem it proper to condone the cooling off period, to waive the cooling off period of 6 months, for the reason that it will only advance the agony to the parties when the parties are residing separately since 2018. Stop. In a result, the application under section 13B for seeking mutual divorce is accepted and by effect of that, the marriage in between the parties performed on 21/1/2013 shall stand resolved by a decree of divorce henceforth. The Samjhauta Nama part of the decree be drawn accordingly. The Samjhauta Nama filed along with the application for 13B, part of agreement. Para 4 to 9 would be the part of the decree. ये यहीं से पूरा ही करते हैं.
Yes, I'm good.
ठीक.